The work that we do and the work that we provide is primarily looking after older people, people with vulnerable people and people with disabilities. So we have been in existence for the past 25 years. Actually, 2023 is our 25th anniversary. So we provide home care and also look after people living with dementia in our residential service here in Bruff, in our community here. So social enterprise, what does it mean to CareBright? At the moment, it would have meant different things as we would have evolved down towards the years. The very start, 25 years ago, it enabled us to start off with 50 staff. Now we have 180 staff employed. Social enterprise has always meant to us that we're giving back to the community, that we're part of the community. We're based in both in urban areas in Limerick City, but also in rural areas, so we're giving back to the community.
My name is Valerie Clancy and I manage the Yarn Social Day Club, which is our social day club here in CareBright in Bruff for people living with dementia in East Limerick and the surrounding areas. We offer 4 days a week service to people living in our communities at home with their loved ones and in some cases on their own, and they're living with either diagnosis of dementia or memory impairment. And we basically offer various activities, social engagement with their peers and exercise, and have a club, a social club where they can come and meet people and alleviate loneliness and withdrawal that's often associated with dementia, and this peer group particularly. The facilities here, we're part of the umbrella group that is CareBright, and we're active here in the Bruff campus. And in the Bruff campus we have access to our fully enclosed, safe 4-acre gardens. We have animal husbandry with our 3 pygmy goats. We have raised garden beds and vegetable patches that we partake in. We have the Yarn Cafe, which is open to the general public. So when people come into Social Club and they're having their meals and their coffee break in the Yarn Cafe, it integrates them into the community they already belong to, so they can see friends and neighbours in the cafe when they're having their lunch and part of the group. So it helps again to re-establish them within the larger community. We also have the group that are living here permanently with dementia on the campus here in CareBright. We integrate with them for various activities, which gives that group that interconnection within the general community also. So there is that 3-pronged approach to making everybody connected. So I went back to study caring for people living with dementia, and that brought me to CareBright. So I actually put in my application and said this is what I want to do from here on in. From here on in I want to get more than just a paycheck out of my wages. I want to feel that I'm making somebody's day, or that I'm bringing something to somebody, or I'm bringing a little bit of joy, or helping to bring a little bit of joy, because it's not just me, there's a team of us here. And that's what drives me, is seeing the smile on somebody's face, you know, and a real smile across their eyes, and knowing that they've had a really good day and they've had a really good belly laugh and we've had fun again, and that they have a place in our society. Unfortunately, at the moment, medicine can help us to live longer, but it's the psychology connection to others that makes us want to live longer. And I think that's what's important to the sport, is making them feel as if they're still part of our community and that there's a place there here for them.